After the invasion of Iraq, he wrote an article in which he said he doesn't know if Iran is developing nuclear weapons, and he hopes not, but he says if they're not developing nuclear weapons, they are crazy. That was his word. They're not developing them, they're crazy. The United States has just announced, we're going to attack anybody we feel like and invade you if we can do it with impunity. So you better have a deterrent. Well, maybe they're developing a deterrent. No serious analyst thinks that they could use nuclear weapons. I mean, if Iran had nuclear weapons and missiles, which nobody sane wants them to have, I mean, if they went as far as even loading a missile, the country would be vaporized, instantly, even if there was any suspicion of it. Well, the clerics may be hideous people, but they've shown no particular inclination for suicide and destruction of everything that they own and everything they value. The same is true about leaking nuclear weapons to others. If there was any suspicion that they were doing that, you can say goodbye to Iran. So the chances they're using it are, probably at the level of an asteroid hitting the Earth or something like that. But it's a serious problem. In fact, if you look at the Israeli literature, they're pretty straight about it. They say that the real threat of an Iranian nuclear weapon is not against Israel, but it's against Zionism. That is, what they're afraid of is that if the region becomes too dangerous, people in Israel are just going to leave.